Hi there, I'm Sarah with WTI. It was time for me to upgrade the mouse I use every day at my office, and I fell in love with the bold red color of this wireless mouse from TECKNET. Not only is the color amazing, but the comfort level on this mouse is second to none. I find it remarkable that it has an easy to hold design. It's comfortable in my hand, and it also has 6 different buttons. So you can really customize this to use it however you want. Also, the fact that it has that little wheel, I really find those little wheels in the center to be very useful. That's definitely my most used button or part of the mouse. And I'm not getting fatigue when I'm using it because the design is comfortable and it's very lightweight. It glides easily. It does have some sound to it when I'm clicking the buttons with it, but I don't find it to be annoying. It's not an extraordinarily loud clicking sound. It has excellent communication. It is wireless, and I've had no interruptions in use. And it does require 2 batteries in the back, but it has a 24-month battery life. So I don't have to worry about changing the batteries frequently. So all in all, this is exactly the little race car wireless mouse I was looking for. Easy to use and comfortable, but also an awesome color. And that is my point of view.